I am Dr. Surendra Kumar, Professor, School of Management, Babu Banarsidass University. Today, we are discussing about the team building and team building steps and processes. Team building. Have you any idea about the team? Team is basically two or more members was there for a specific task. When the task is over, the team is to be dissolved. So, now the thing is, when we use team building, because when an organization seeks to enhance the performance and attainment of its vision and goals by getting its people to work together as team members to achieve shared objectives for the common good of its stakeholders. This is basically the team building process to be there. Now, who is a team building? Who? Team building is to be in the institution or the organization. So whatever the member is to be there, every member in the organization, every members in the organization, they are the requirement for the team building. Now, how to implement team building? Because team vision we have already filled out for the common goal, company's vision. Team vision is very, very clear. So, in the team building process, in a team building process, clarifying the goal and building ownership across the team. Clarifying. Second, identifying the inhibitors to teamwork and removing or overcoming them, or if they cannot be removed, mitigate their negative effect on the team. Identify the inhibitors. Clarifying, identified type thing. I will just tell down the small examples to be there, or whatever in the industry I learned one thing is to be there. In every institution there are three type of players, A, B और C. A प्लेयर्स होते हैं वो जो इंस्टीट्यूशन को टॉप लेवल में ले जाते हैं, ग्रोथ की तरफ बढ़ाते हैं. C टाइप के प्लेयर वो होते हैं जो ग्रोथ में मदद करते रहते हैं. दे आर नॉट द डायरेक्ट प्लेयर बट स्टेप बाय स्टेप दे आर द प्रोड्यूसर. और B टाइप के वो प्लेयर होते हैं जो ना तो ग्रोथ में मदद करते हैं और इनको काम करने के लिए बैकफुट पे रखने लगते हैं. तो एज ए इंडस्ट्रियल लीडर, एज ए टीम लीडर, एज ए टीम वर्कर, सबसे बड़ी जरूरत होती है इस लीडर की कि वो इस टाइप के प्लेयर को खोजे, निकाले, और जैसे ही इनको निकाले, खोजे, जस्टिफाई करे, देन ही शुड मोटिवेट देम टू कन्वर्ट इनटू द C by which organization development can be carried out, or they should be go out of the organization. So same thing in the implementation of the perfect team building. We have to clarify the goals. Second, identify the inhibitors. If can be removed, or if we have to motivate, we have to change the conditions to be there. And third process, to assess in what sense? Assess in the values of the feedback. This team is already developed, team is to be there. Or how we have to check down, how we have to assess. Border picture याद है आपको? Where 120 people is to be there only. मगर जो हीरो थे, सनी देओल शायद इसमें थे, उन्होंने इतना मोटिवेट कर दिया था कि वो पूरी बटालियन, लोग कहते हैं मुझे क्या कहते हैं, आपके आर्मी के बारे में बहुत कुछ क्लियर नहीं है, बट मे बी पॉसिबल भाई एक पूरी बटालियन से ज्यादा उसके उन्होंने बताया 120 पर्सन है, उसने कहा नहीं पूरी बटालियन है, तो मे बी पॉसिबल 400-500 सोच कर उन्होंने उसको इस रूप से मोटिवेट किया कि दे हैव टू थिंक कि ये तो बहुत बड़ी यहाँ पे आर्मी आई हुई है. इस कारण से उनके हौसले पस्त हो गए पहले ही. सो वी हैव टू एसेस इट्स आवर करंट स्ट्रेंथ एंड द करंट वीकनेस, बिकॉज current strength and current weakness, if we know the things, so definitely we can be carry on and we have to evolve. How we have to implement now, because this is the team process, we have the 3 steps. Now, to improve its current performance, a team uses the feedback form, the team assessment, in order to identify any gap between the desired state and the actual state and design a gap closure strategy. Gaps. हम ये काम कर सकते हैं, काम करने चले तो पता लगा कि सब कुछ तो रेडी है। जैसे कभी आप किसी हलवाई से पूछिएगा कि क्या आप बेसन बूंदी का लड्डू बना लेते हैं, मेरे ख्याल से मोस्ट ऑफ द हलवाई, ज्यादातर जितने भी होंगे, दे आर रेडी टू पुट ऑन द थिंग। मगर लड्डू बनाना और प्रॉपर लड्डू बेस, प्रॉपर बूंदी का लड्डू बनाना, दोनों बातें अलग हैं। प्रॉपर लड्डू बनाना, हमने एक बार ऐसी बात की थी, बिकॉज इन द इंडस्ट्रीज वी हैव द इंडस्ट्रियल ट्रेनर्स, हम लोग ट्रेनिंग देने जब जाते हैं इंडस्ट्रीज वगैरह में, तो वहां पे तो काम करना और प्रॉपर काम करना दो अलग अलग चीजें होती हैं। और प्रॉपर काम करने का मतलब ये होता है कि हम 100% अपना आउटपुट दे रहे हैं इन द वैल्यू ऑफ वैल्यू क्रिएशन, जिसके लिए हम काम कर रहे हैं वहां पर। सो वी हैव टू पुट डाउन, आइडेंटिफाई एनी गैप in between the desired state and the actual state and design a gap closure technology। अगर ऐसी कोई चीज है तो हम उसे बंद करते हैं और अपने desired result को लेके आते हैं। Now, stages of the team building, the same stages we have already discussed about the team and team building in the group process, the same team stages to be there. First is forming, different people was there, we have to acknowledge, orientation, breakfast break, leader facilitate, the other things. Then storming. Forming, storming. We have to storming, like conflicts. We have to run. Disagreement will be there. Then the leader encourage. You can do that, and the things will be neutralized. Then norming. Condition will be norming. Now we have to start with the trap. We have to ready for doing. Teaming is to be there. Stabilize of the orders and cohesiveness. Leaders' motive is to be there to help clarify the team why you are here, your role is very very clear, and the norms is to be very very clear. Then performing. In the performing process, we have to carry on compassion. We have to be ready why we are there, and problem solving was there. And leader should acknowledge that you are there. So in this forming, if you have to look after the group members about each place, they know why they are there and task at hand was there. And because at this stage their objective is not be clear, so as a team leader we have to acknowledge things. And the main thing is storming. We have to look after, because for the team building process this is the prime consideration, because this activity marks as storming phase. Lack of cohesion, subjectivity, hidden agenda, conflicts, constructions, volatile. These are the things. So we have to run. Now this stage also, when you have to look at the performing, so performing in the terms of creativity, initiatives, flexibility, open relationships, pride, concern for the people's learning, confidence, high morals, scopus. This type of things we have to look at the performing, because performance will come down only in such a way when the conclusion implementation of our team building approach will be there. After this, because team was there, so I already told you one thing was there, that is adjourning. This stage will also come down, adjourn. So adjourning was there because as the group projects end, the group disable in the adjourning phase. In the adjourning phase, later on when we have to require the team, so again this team will come down, because this phase added as in 1977 Tuckman was there, they told this thing will be. So these are basically the 5 stages. And how? Now let's stay. Why we have to develop this team building? Because there are 4 types of team building. Types. Individuals. What the individual is? Institution, team leaders have to be. Then individuals, they have to contribute with a certain task and they have to achieve the team building process. Second is small teams, where the very few members is to be there, they have to certain tasks to be. Then team islands. व्हाट इज आइलैंड इज टू बी देयर? चारों तरफ पानी, बीच में समुद्र, बीच में जमीन. So a lot of team is to be there. We have to perform as per the organization native, organization motives, organization exhibition. Then the fourth stage is organization. So in the institution, these are the four stages, four types. First stage is individual. Individual, when they have to look after the things, they have to form the small team. Then small team, different small teams form the team island, or team islands form the organization's motive. These are the team building. Then only, because if this type of team building is to be there, then we have to give them the better teamwork. Better teamwork. If the, or better teamwork lead the system. So this is the team building. Now we have to look after certain things, because we have to do effective organization leadership also. Then we have to discuss the things also. So we have already discussed about the team and the team leaders. Leader has certain followers in specific conditions. What about in team leading? Because here we have to give us very small things to be there, because team leader, team process, then team leaders. Team leaders and the team development process. Leadership development basically focuses on the development of leadership as a process. And when the process is thing, then this is the personal power. Personal power. Or it is also known as influence. It is more effective than position power. Position power. Position power is effective for the group, but whenever we are discussing about the team, influence power is to be there, because they can motivate the members. You can do better, then only the result will be come down. And building by creative interdependency, because dependency, independency and interdependency, the three things was there which is to be take care in the organization functioning. Organization functioning. In the organization functioning, three things was there. Dependency. Dependency in what? Marketing, finance, HR, production, logistics, and inward and outward logistics. So we have to depend each and every one internally. So in the dependency, for the creative team, for the better result, for the absolute result is to be there, team building, we have to depend on each and every one to be there. And we should take care of the interdependency also, independency. Interdependency means we have to depend, then at certain time if the need was there, we can correlate our dependency in the other sector. Then interdependency. Interdependency in the channelization process was there. Interdependency, we have to look after each and every department is to be there. Then interdependent. Then they are self-sufficient. That's why when you are organization, in the organization, chairman also want that every department should be interdependent, independent, and they should be interdependent also. And how the strict process can be carried out? Because this functioning, organization functioning, how it is to be carried out? This is to be very simple process. And what the simple process is? Learn. Learn. सीखिए. लेकिन हम सीखते कब हैं? जब हमें कुछ नहीं आता, तभी हम सीखना चाहते हैं. So for the organization leader, we have to take care कि we have to strong the person learning process. In the learning process, first we have to think, we have to rethink, we have to stabilize, we have to knowledge of the unlearned. हमें कुछ नहीं आता, हम उसको सीखेंगे फिर से, और जब हम सब कुछ सीख लेंगे तो हम रीलर्न. चाय बनाना सिंपल सबको आता है, लेकिन जब अगर कभी आप दार्जिलिंग जाइए या किसी प्रोसेस पे जाइए, क्या कहते हैं, अच्छे टी सेंटर्स वगैरह पे, वहां देखिए चाय बनाने के प्रोसेस अलग होते हैं. अगर हम वहां जाके कहते हैं तो चीजें कई बार अलग होती हैं। आई हैव सीन इन सिक्किम ऑल्सो, वहां पर एक तरफ दूध उबलता रहता था और एक तरफ चाय की पत्ती उबलती रहती है, उन्होंने उसको बना के रखा है। हम लोग की इंडिया में नॉर्मली इन वेस्टर्न यूपी, हम लोग की ईस्टर्न यूपी और यहाँ लखनऊ वगैरह में अगर लोग बात करते हैं तो चाय लोग बनाते हैं और पानी उबाला, उसमें दूध डाला, चीनी डाला, तैयार हो गई चाय, और चाय हमारे लिए यही होता है। बट इफ यू टू गो फॉर द सिक्किम, इफ यू टू गो फॉर द काठमांडूज, कंडीशन विल बी डिफरेंट इस टाइप। दे टोल्ड दैट दिस इज नॉट द टी। टी जैसे ही आपने दूध में पत्ती को डाला तुरंत ही दूध का टेस्ट बदल जाएगा, और दूध का जब टेस्ट बदल गया तो जिसके लिए आपने वो इंग्रेडिएंट डाला था वो उसका मोटिव पूरा नहीं हुआ। तो मैंने पूछा फिर कैसे बनाते हैं? देन दे हैव टू शो डाउन कि वहां पर उन्होंने दो अलग अलग बाउल उसमें रखा थे, कड़े उसमें डिब्बों में, एक में दूध उबल रहा था कड़ा इसमें, और एक में चाय की पत्ती उबाला हुआ था पानी में, और शुगर अलग रखी थी उनकी। उन्होंने कहा कि शुगर आप इसमें लगा सकते हैं चाय चीनी में, ओ सॉरी पानी के साथ उबालते हुए दूध अपने टी में। और देन आफ्टर उन्होंने क्या किया, जब उन्होंने बनाने को कहा तो उन्होंने दूध निकाला, दूध पहले डाला, तब उसके ऊपर चाय की पत्ती मिला हुआ पानी डाला, और देन शुगर मिला करके दिया। टेस्ट वॉज टोटली डिफरेंट। आई एम द एज ऑफ अराउंड 45 years of age, बट शायद वैसी चाय हम लोगों ने पी नहीं। आई विल जस्ट रियलाइज द थिंग्स कि मे बी पॉसिबल जो फ्रंट्स हमने किया था लर्न, कॉन्सेप्ट में बदल गया, बिकॉज हम जो सीख के आए थे वो कॉन्सेप्ट टोटल चेंज हो गया इन द कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ द टी, इन द कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ द टी मेकिंग टू बी। सो अगेन वी हैव टू थिंक दैट वी शुड बी अनलर्न। हम भूल जाते हैं व्हाट एवर वी हैव टू लर्न इट इन द टीम बिल्डिंग, द सेम प्रोसेस टू बी देयर। इफ वी हैव टू लर्न अप, वी हैव नोड अबाउट दिस स्किल, वी हैव टू नो अबाउट ऑल दिस नॉलेज, वी हैव टू नो अबाउट so and then again we have to restructure the things. But how the building, the empowering was there to understand people's need and aspirations, and entrusting them to do the right job enables people to do the very effective way. So in this process we have to take the communication, because whatever the communication is to be there, because team in the organization teach the teamwork. A teamwork, for the teamwork, all individuals who are in the team, all the members was there, they have in a different segment, we have to correlate in each and every process to be there, because we have to used as a new diversity for the strength making in the team building stuff, and diversity in the variety, and variety creates the flexibility. So strength, layout, variety, and variety gives flexibility, and this flexibility enhances the value additions and value technicians will be there. So this is the overall things which we have to, and then strength, values, tradition knowledge if you have to look after. Then how now the process to be there in the team building structure, there are certain things ki how we have to recreate or re-stabilize the team building. It's a very simple, or remembering also you have to listen the word of fun, F-U-N. Just remember only these three things. F means fellowship. Fellowship सिर्फ पैसा नहीं होता. You have the creative ideas, you have the creative sense, creative values is to be there. Fellowship learned with understanding. Understanding. With the new idea. New idea. This is the creating the team building. Then selling. If we have the fellowship idea is to give something to the institutions, then you can develop this is the firmness. And firmness can become eventually, universally. We should give down our knowledge, our traditions, our achievements, universally, and then according to need, we have to use these things. So today we have discussed about the team building approaches, team building steps, team building processes, even organization, team in the organization, teamwork for the effective organization motives. We have already cleared it. So in this today we have cleared down. Each and every institution was there. every institution has a different members, and every members form the team, and that later on they will be converted to the team building steps.